Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I have an Amazon haul for you. It is basically like travel essentials, things that I feel are necessary when traveling anywhere. It doesn't matter. Sorry, I got hair up my nose. What a way to start the video, right? The bird's been chirping, I think, in the beginning of the video. Who knows? Obviously, the bird always chirps. But anyway, back to this. So it's like basically like my take on like what I feel is necessary for traveling. But, you know, take it with a grain of salt, whatever. If you don't like using these kind of products, then that's fine. But this is like what I like to have when I travel. So we're just going to get right in. I have two boxes full of things here. We're going to get right on in. First, we have... So when you go to hotel rooms, you know, they basically, sorry for all the crinkling. They have very limited hangers that are in their little small closet things. And you bring more clothing that should really be hung because of wrinkling and everything. Or you even, whatever, you steam it, you hang it, you iron it, you want to hang it. But they don't have enough hangers. Well, that is what this bag is full of. And it is actually little hangers. Sorry, it's a lot of loud crinkling. These are actually really neat. I seen these as like an Amazon, not an Amazon favorite. Was it a YouTube video? I can't remember what it was. It was something that I had seen and someone had recommended these for traveling. And I ended up buying them myself for traveling. So it looks like this. You open it up. So it looks like a little tiny hanger. And then you just whip it open on both sides. And you have a full size sturdy hanger. It's pretty good. Like, I'm wiggling it. So, I mean, and it's pretty sturdy. And then to put them back into your suitcase, you just fold them right back up. Take however many you think you're going to need. Like, look at your clothing and see what you're taking. Take that many. Especially if you're taking a lot of shirts that need to be hung. Or dresses. Take as many as you have. They're really not even heavy. So, and I can't remember how many it came in a pack of. But it is a lot. It really is a lot of little mini hangers. That will be definitely going in any suitcase I take when I travel. Next, we're supposed to be taking a trip to somewhere that we need to get on the plane for. And that's not until next year, but I figured why don't I just start getting a start on things so that way I'm not rushing around and waiting till last minute and I'm, you know, stuck being like, oh my god, I still need to get this. So I ended up picking a few things for that. These are TSA bags. Don't know if we're going to need them because I think we are going to just check in our bag and just take a small little personal bag on with us. But it came in a 2-pack. I'm trying to get it out of the bag so we can take a look and see how big it is. It's supposed to replace that quart size bag thing. So this is what it looks like. Just a small little clear bag. Like I said, it came in a set of 2. Now for me to open it and pop it open. And that's basically the size. It's actually not a bad size at all. So if I do decide to put anything that I don't want in my bag in there, I at least will have this and I'll be able to pull it out for TSA so they don't have a problem with what I'm taking for my carry-on. If I do a carry-on. Or even if I decide to put it in my personal bag, at least I'll be able to have these. So like I said, I got 2 because one will go to me, one will obviously go to my boyfriend. Next, I have 2 options for little makeup bags. I don't know which one I will be using. So we have here, because I have a makeup brush bag little thing that matches these colors that I had done in a previous Amazon haul. I think if I can remember which one it is, I'll link it in the iCard up there. So we have just this basic, simple rose gold shiny makeup bag. Yes, this one holds brushes as well, right here. They do hold brushes. Not enough brushes for me. This, whatever, I guess you want to put in here, whatever. And then you have just this basic, simple, it's not that deep. So I don't know if I'll be taking this one or not. We'll see how much I can fit in there. I'm really not going to take a lot because I don't need to take a lot. But we have this. Next we have another rose gold makeup bag. Like I said, I didn't know which one I was going to take. So I did not take any of these out of their packaging, obviously, as you can see. And it is this little rose gold bag. This has a clear spot for the makeup. Don't know what I'll be taking. Like I said, you have that for the makeup. You have this. Open it for brushes, which I would definitely not use for brushes. I would use that maybe for the mascara, for the eyeliner, for the eyebrow pencil. Perfect size for that. And maybe even a powder or something to go in there, because I'm obviously taking travel size little face powder. Everything's hard to zipper because everything's been so packed. I've had this for a while, so everything is like sealed. Next we have a travel compact mirror. I do have one that I do already travel with, but like a local traveling. I just didn't want to bring that one because it is a bigger mirror, and I figured this one would be a nice size. It came in this little box. It just says LED rechargeable compact mirror. I don't know what brand, so it just came in a pink packaging. It is black. It is by Rusine. You see the word right there. And it's just black. You just open it up right here. You got your non-magnetic side and then magnetic side. And then you have a light, a little LED light around here. Comes with a little charger. So if you need to really get all up in there, you have this. Oh, hold on. Doesn't turn off the light without. Hello. Thank you. And, oh, the light would turn off after shutting it. But, oh my God, what happened? Okay. It came back on. Weird. I figured this would be a perfect size. I can also set it up on something if I really need to. If I really need to get in there. It is actually a really good size. And the magnified mirror side does not distort your face. Thank goodness. Let me check to make sure we're not going to die on battery. No, we're not. We're good. The reason why I had to look around is because you're behind a ring light and I can't really see through the ring light. Alright, next, what do we have here? We have a beach/pool bag. It is by the company, don't know. Like I said, everything will be linked down below, but I figured this was nice and compact. Can fold this thing right on up, put it right in the suitcase. It's not that thick at all. I can even stick this in the personal bag because it is that tiny. And you just open it up. It is black mesh. It has a pocket right here, a couple pockets here, here, and here. And we also have a zipper bag, not a zipper bag, but a zipper pocket, as soon as we figure out which way it goes, right here, so you can stick like your hotel key, your phone, whatever, so that way sand doesn't get in it. But I figured this was nice, so if sand or anything did get in it, I could shake it out, whatever. It's light. I got the black. It matches anything, everything, whatever color swimsuit. Yes, I'm crazy like that. I will match it to my swimsuit. That was the first box. Completely done. Next, other options of bags I have here. So I have a full set of these already, but it came in a 3-pack. So I had like a really big bag. I had the medium bag and a small bag. This now is a medium and small bag, just in case my boyfriend might want to use this instead of what he normally takes, since this will be like basically waterproof and everything. So you have this little tiny, and shoot, I might even, ouch, Y'all didn't see that. I might even actually use one for maybe my makeup. Who knows? I know I'm going to be using this for my toiletries. So, because I have, like I said, my own set. Really cute little little bag. Great for medications. If you're taking medications, prescription, whatever. And throw this into your personal bag, your medications. I will not be sticking my prescription medications in my checked-in bag. No. Okay, what else do we have? We have a scale for your luggage. I do not own one of these, so I was like, we need to do this because I don't want to have to pay for my checked bag. I don't want to pay because it's over 50 pounds or whatever it is. So it's just by Dr. Meter. It's just this. That's what the packaging looks like. Let's open it up. I have yet to open this. And it looks like that. You obviously wrap this around the handle. And I guess you push the on button and you weigh it. That's that item right there. Next, to go along with those little hangers that I just showed you, is a steamer. Travel steamer. A must-have. Because things will be getting wrinkly. This is called Eye by Eye Steam. And we got this blue one. It kind of is big and bulky. But if anything, it's going to go in his bag since I'm carrying a lot more stuff. Or if not, this will go on the personal bag. Who knows? So, just goes right on in like this. It's blue. Here, it has a little brush thingy here. Why does nothing want to work? Really, seriously, honestly. Hello. Am I a dummy or what? I got it. And it clips on right here. So, I guess that's like for upholstery or something like that. Pretty good cord. I don't know how long it is. We'll see. I guess that's how you pop it off. A little water reservoir. Just fill it up in here. That's all that is. Definitely a must-have for traveling. I always need one even when we travel locally. Like when we go do our New York trips and stuff like that. It's actually a must-have for that too. Next. What do you call these things? Packing cubes. So I bought extra packing cubes. I don't know if we will be using them, but it's good to have. Always good to have packing cubes when traveling. I got the cream color and I got him the black with like blue trim. So I'm going to open up these. I don't even know what these look like. I just know what they look like online. So for all I know, I don't like them. So I will find out now. So it's a really nice color. It's a nice color. It's a nice color. It's like creamy beige. It comes with, so it is, this pack here is going to be the same pack that I'm, like everything in this one that I'm getting ready to pull out will be the same in this one. So I'm not going to open up this one. So you get 2 of this big size. Or was that the big size? No, that was not the big size. You get 2 of this big size. Perfect. You get 2 of this medium size. Perfect. And you get 2 of this little size. And what's great about that is I honestly believe I'm only going to need these 3 pieces for when we go. And this is just a spare backup just in case something happens to these. So it's perfect. I think they're a perfect size. Not really taking much. Most of the stuff I'm taking are dresses and swimsuits, and I believe that's all going to fit in here. And my pajamas are going to be summer pajamas. I'm not taking anything wintry. And anything that's wintry, we're going to be going in spring. I'll be wearing my heavier clothes to there, so if I need them, they'll be there already. And I don't have to worry about extra weight in my luggage. So let me know if you guys are doing any kind of traveling this year, next year. What are your plans since everything's starting to really open back up? Have you been to a tropical island? Have you been to somewhere cold? Just let me know. Where are your favorite places that you have been? Let me know what you guys like to get from Amazon that are your travel essentials that maybe I need to check out. List them down below. I'll definitely be listing all of this down below, just in case you guys might be interested in something here. But like I said, just let me know what you guys, like, seriously, recommend things. I don't mind checking into things because it might be actually something I want to get. So if you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Comment down below. Like I said, anything. And if you're new here, don't forget to subscribe before you leave. And until I see you all again, have a great day. Thanks. Bye.